Hey everyone, so this will be a speed test comparison here between the 2021 Amazon Fire HD10 and the brand new 2022 Samsung Tab A8. So this is 10.1 inches, this is 10.5. This goes for $150 here in the US, this is $230. Both of these have 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. Let's get on into the speed test here. We're going to use Chrome. So let's get into Chrome here. So 1, 2, 3. We will go into, so you see my history is cleared here. Just cleared it out. We will go to bestbuy.com and bestbuy.com 1, 2, and 3. So let's see which one is quicker here. Okay. I'm not exactly sure which one, because I was expecting this guy to bring up the same thing as the Amazon did. Alright, increase my brightness on the Samsung. Now they're both about the same, which is about 3/4 of the way. We will go ahead and look up Garmin watch and Garmin watch here. 1, 2, and 3. Both of these are on the same Wi-Fi, which is just my home network Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi here, which depending on the moment, sometimes it's really good and sometimes it is not. You can see, okay, let's get rid of that. They show off this, same website and everything. It shows it off a little bit different. It's how much bigger this is than this guy, for whatever reason that is. Go ahead here and hit the picture. You can see there, Samsung is winning by a little bit here. But again, it shows off the pictures a little bit different. The website a little bit different here. Go ahead and hit the picture itself. We'll get that open. We'll open up a few more apps here. Then at the end, we will go through all the apps as well. So one more website. We'll go to Pokemon.com. And Pokemon.com. And I totally hit that one way faster than I hit this guy. But we will do one more step here. And that is, we will hit desktop site. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll see they're basically the same. Go ahead and hit Snorlax. Yeah, they're very, very close for that. Now, for those who do not know, yes, you can get the App Store on Amazon Fire devices. Want to know how? Go to my channel or just Google it. So we will go to the App Store next. 1, 2, 3. And let's hit Terraria. Terraria, I don't know how to say that word. That game. Maybe. There we go. Let's go ahead and we'll hit this picture here. I think the Samsung was a little bit faster there. Alright, next we're going to Google Sheets. 1, 2, 3. And we'll hit my exercise one here, which is from a long time ago. See, the Samsung is a bit faster. And we'll zoom in. And we get all of that. Alright, then we'll go into Asphalt 8 here. 1, 2, 3. So this would be a bit of a heavier application here. We'll see how they do. So this is Samsung definitely won that guy. Won this one. Go ahead and hit play. We'll go ahead and hit play, but then we'll get on out of it. Let's see. Again, this is the non-plus version of the Amazon. There's also the plus version. Go ahead and get these facing correctly here. And that Plus version gives you an extra gigabyte of RAM. And the same thing goes with the Samsung. It's not called Plus, it's called the same thing. But if you get one, there's 3 different versions. The one we have here, one that has, I believe, 64 gigs of storage, and then one that has 128 gigs of storage. You get either of those 2 upgraded ones. You also get 4 gigabytes of RAM as well. Alright, then we'll go into Roblox here. 1, 2, 3. Which they're both hooked up to the same exact account. And you can see too, hopefully you guys can see, this is a little bit more white than what this guy is. The whites are a bit more white. This is a little bit more of a, almost a pinkish hue to it. Looking next to the Samsung here. It's still definitely white. The whites are still definitely white. They're just, where that is to say they're not as white. Go ahead and just click that. And we'll get on out of here. Alright, then we'll open up one more app here, and that is just the clock. So 1, 2, and 3. One more very easy application. So overall, I would say the Samsung is going to be a bit faster. Which is to be expected when you are paying more money for it. Again, here in the US, it's about $80 difference. I'm sure this will go on sale, just like the A7 goes on sale quite a bit. It's usually down to like $200 though, whereas this guy can go down to sale to about $100 or so. So let's go back here to Chrome. Let's see which one does a better job. So that did not reload. That is reloading though, and that is going to reload as well on Best Buy's website. Next we'll go back to the App Store. Both of those are fantastic. Both kept it open. And then we will go to, okay, make sure we're on the right thing here. So there's that. So anytime you open up Google Sheets, it actually opens up the sheet, and then also it keeps open the actual sheet you're on. It actually opens up, kind of opens up 2 apps at once. So this reloaded. As you can see, this is still zoomed in, so that did not reload. So far the Samsung is winning. Back into Asphalt 8. That did not reload. You know, so that did not actually reload. I'm very surprised. Being a heavier app. Alright, we'll go back into Roblox. I'm really surprised at how well this is doing. With 3, again, this is only the 3 GB version one. So I don't, if I remember correct, the A7 that had 3 GB of RAM as well did not do as good of a job. Go ahead and put these back into correct mode here. Then just clock, which both are good with. Yeah, so that did very, very well. So the Samsung is going to be faster and is going to be able to keep things open longer as well. Then you can also keep things open in split view, which you can do the same thing with the Amazon though. Just hit split screen there. Go ahead and get rid of these things here. Go ahead and tap that and hit split screen view. If it wants to cooperate. So, you guys let me know what you think. I do think both these devices are nice. Again, this is a little bit bigger. It's also a bit faster, but also costs a little bit more money. This is brand new. This is from last year. I don't think they'll be redoing this year. My guess may be an A5 or 7. Maybe they'll come out with. Or even a brand new something or other. We'll see. You guys let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. I'll see you guys next time.